Hey everyone, welcome back to the Good Life 777. Today we are going to show you how to shift to win races. High performance shifting, that is. Most people shift this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that is not, if you do that while you're racing, you could probably miss a shift here and there. Proper way to do it is this: 1, bring it forward. You start out with 1 here. You keep your hand this way, not this way, sideways, and just very smoothly come on back. And there's no way you could go into 4th, so you go into 2nd. For 3rd gear, you let the shifter take its natural course, which this is what we can call a ratchet shifter. When you bring it up, it automatically positions itself in the middle. So when you're in 2nd, all you need to do is keep your hands this way, not this way. Very nice, smooth, no force, just smoothly let it go in its position and go up to 3rd. 4th gear, you don't want to do it this way. 4th gear is this way. Okay, and 5th, once again, you don't want to do it this way. 5th gear, throw a little pressure here, just a little, and let the shifter take its course to 5th. And 6th gear, once again, is not like this. 6th gear, smoothly and softly, nice back. Okay, so this is the wrong way to do it. Okay, it takes a lot longer and you can miss shifts. This way you can easily go from 4th to 1st, as you see here. This way, when you're in 4th, putting a little pressure here, you have no choice but go to 5th. And 6th also, if you grab it this way, you get excited, you're racing somebody, you end up going in 4th, as I just did. So 6th, this way, straight back. So this is what it would look like. 1st, 2nd, hand this way, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. Okay, one more time, wrong way. See the problems I had? This way, starting 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. Okay? You need to practice this every day for a while until your brain recalls it, what we call muscle memory.
And then use this as a training, a shift band.
No. Okay, so once your brain is trained to do it, you'll find yourself doing this automatically during normal driving. So one more time, you start in 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. Okay, a lot better than try to do it this way, and that's, there you go, and miss a shift. So hopefully you'll win races like this, and your transmission will last a lot longer, and so will your synchronizers. So yes, use this shifting for performance and longevity. Okay, so once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, one more time. 1, little pressure to the left. 2, let the shifter take its natural course. From 2nd, see, it will automatically pop in the middle. Okay, so let it take its natural course, and then straight back. Okay, and then a little pressure, and straight back with a little pressure to the right. Do it this way and you will never miss a shift, and you win all kinds of races. So enjoy your stick shift, which is becoming more rare as the years go by. And as you know, the new Corvette is not even available in stick shift. So enjoy your stick shift, and till next time, ciao for now.